And she becomes, and Krishna is so naughty that he had nothing straight in his life. Huh? So how does Krishna stand? Can you show me how Krishna stands? Krishna का pose बता कैसे कैसे खड़े होते हैं? See, like this. He has his band at 3 places. इसलिए उसको बोलते हैं त्रिभंग. त्रिभंग. He never stands. लॉर्ड रामचंद्र जी से कैसे खड़े रहते हैं? एकदम ऐसे. मंगल भवन मंगल हारी. भगवान रामचंद्र जी बहुत सीधे साधे हैं, भोले भाले, आराम से खड़े रहते. कृष्णा खड़े भी सीधे नहीं रहते. He is actually टेढ़ा. He doesn't even walk straight. You know, when we walk like, you know, but when Krishna will walk like this, then he will go like this, then he will go like this, then he will go like this. Krishna ऐसा चलता है. So when Krishna is going in jungle, and he is going to tend the cows, so at that time everyone, all his friends actually go along with Krishna, और Krishna उसके साथ जा रहे हैं. तो Krishna is not walking straight. He is jumping here and there, and then he is jumping like this and jumping. Then he sees that there are frogs. So frogs are jumping. So Krishna also imitates the frog. You know, he jumps like this, and then he goes. And then Krishna sees that there are beautiful peacocks, more. The more are flying, and the more are making sound. Krishna also makes that sound, and Krishna jumps along with that. And he jumps, and then he suddenly sees that there are many parrots. The parrots comes, and you know, parrots are making sound. And Krishna also makes that sound, and Krishna is, you know, flying like parrot, and he goes with parrot, and then he sees that there are no cows. That cows are moving with Krishna, and cow makes sound. Krishna also makes that sound. And he goes and he jumps, he's so happy. And then he sees suddenly some monkeys are there. And there are monkeys doing like this. Krishna also does like this. And then Krishna is jumping, dancing, going here and there. And he goes and actually pulls the tail of monkey. You see Krishna, the supreme personality of Godhead. He is Lord, right? But Krishna, he is actually pulling the, you know, tail of monkey. And then he goes, and then everybody, when they go in jungle, you know, they feel hungry, right? So they have their tiffin. So they all open their tiffin. Krishna sits in between, और सब लोग आजू बाजू में बैठ जाता है. And everyone actually opens their tiffin, and everyone is eating. So what Krishna does, he takes his 10 finger and puts into 10 different achar, like this. Then he eats something. With one finger, then in second finger he enjoys. Krishna is actually is fully anand. You know, he's just enjoying. So then one fellow, he actually takes one samosa. He eats, he breaks the samosa. You know, झूठा करता है. And then he says, Krishna, samosa कितना अच्छा है. मेरा झूठा खाएगा क्या तू? हाँ, विराज खाएगा? नहीं खाएगा देखो. So he gives to Krishna and he says that, you know, please eat. And Krishna, he eats that झूठा samosa of somebody. And then somebody else, he takes one kachori. Then he eats that half kachori and gives that kachori to the Krishna. Says, eat this kachori. When Krishna eats that kachori, then somebody, he takes one rasgulla and then he bites that rasgulla. So जैसे रसगुल्ला को बाइट करता है क्या होता है? तो पानी, the रसगुल्ला का जो रस है ना वो निकलता है, and it actually pours on the face of Krishna, and Krishna enjoys, उसको बहुत मजा आता है सब. And then one fellow says, मेरी माँ ने कितना अच्छा संदेश बनाया है, संदेश sweet, अब खाओ. So संदेश खाता है, and then he is so happy, and everyone is like, you know, enjoying and doing all this thing. Then one friend actually goes and he sees that there is a well. So he goes, so the empty well, and he makes sound. Hey! So there is an echo. Hey! Then he says, कोई है इसके अंदर, कोई है. And he goes and tells me, Krishna, कोई है उसके अंदर, कोई है. Krishna क्या बात करता है? नहीं, है, नहीं देखता हूँ मैं. Then Krishna goes and says, ये कौन है रे? And the sound comes back. कौन है रे? Krishna says, कोई है अंदर, कोई है. Now you see, he's Lord, right? He's ईश्वर परम कृष्ण सच्चिदानंद विग्रह. He's doing all these things. So Brahma ji ऊपर से देखते हैं, he gets confused. So he's Lord. He cannot be Lord. He's like an ordinary boy. You know, he's eating jhuta of everybody. You know how he can be boy ऐसा. फिर then he actually steals all the cows and all this thing, and then he keeps it in the Brahmalok, and then he comes back after 1 year. Then what he sees, Krishna is sitting down again, and he is eating achar, and he is eating all this thing, and he gets bewildered. He says, "What is this? Krishna." So Krishna is actually doing so many things like this, and then he goes in Gopi's place, and then when Gopi is actually doing her household course ना, वो क्या करता है, बछड़े को, गाय के बछड़े को जाके खोल देता है. तो गाय का बछड़ा क्या करता है, भागता है भागता है भागता है